Hi Queen Sisters, today I have such a cute DIY project for you guys. It is going to be we're going to make the enchanted rose from the Disney movie Beauty and the Beast. I thought it would be wonderful to show you guys because it looks magical, it looks mystical, it looks romantic, and of course beautiful. The reason why I wanted to do this is because I thought, first of all, it was very easy. Second, it turns into a very nice decor piece you can keep in your bedroom or your living room. It looks really beautiful, it looks magical, and of course it is forever. So let's get right in and let me show you guys. Okay guys, so I have this cylinder, glass, and it is from IKEA. And if you cannot afford something like this would do as well. It's like cylinder, but something which is like more like, shorter, of course. You can also use something like this. What you would need is a glue gun. And I have, some glue sticks right here. I just put this cardboard so I don't burn the table. And you need a rose. And if you're lucky enough to get a short one, that's great. So you don't have to cut it. We're gonna like cut it and glue it, and then you need some fairy lights. Now these are very like big ones, but to be honest, if you can find like smaller ones, that would be great as well. So let's start with taking this sticker off. And you would, oh, I forgot, you would need some batteries as well. So I'm just gonna measure and see how long is it going to be. Like a little bit more maybe. Just measure it and see. I think I would have to cut it quite. I have a plus. I guess it didn't work out with the scissors, so we're gonna use a plus. Try and cut this. There. So we cut it. Okay. So the bottom would be quite thick to glue it like straight on it. We're gonna have to go around with the glue gun and sort of just try and do our best to glue it. So just try to measure where it would be.
Let's try to, I wish I could show you guys a little bit more.
Okay guys, so to show you up more close, just try to get the glue all the way around so this can be quite sturdy, and just try to be careful because you get these lines when you're doing the glue gun, so just be careful. Just try to take them out and just quickly like put this. So this is how it's gonna look like. Okay guys, so we've got this standing. I'm just gonna remove all these things. Just try to remove them. Okay, the piece we cut, I'm gonna not like waste it, so I'm gonna cut this as well, and I'm gonna place it over here. So actually I can just remove this. So I'm just gonna put it here. You can sort of just play around with it. There you have it, guys, our cute little DIY project, our enchanted rose. I hope you liked watching this video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay beautiful.